Hello, my twinkling little stars. Today I'm drawing Dad and Grandma. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a heartwarming story. But before we start, can you tap the like button with your tiny paw so Bluey and Bingo can giggle even louder? The morning light shines bright, the air smells sweet and fresh. Bluey stretches with a big yawn. Bingo hops around with joy. Let's visit Grandma today, says Dad. His voice sounds happy and warmed up. Bluey's tail wiggles fast. Bingo claps her hands. Can we bring snacks for Grandma? Asks Bluey. Yes, and maybe cookies, says Bingo. Dad smiles and nods. Let's make her favorite treats. They work together in the kitchen. The smell of cookies fills the air. Bluey stirs the dough carefully. Bingo sprinkles tiny sugar stars. Don't eat too many, Dad laughs, but Bingo sneaks one bite anyway. Can you pretend to stir the dough? Swirl your hands in a big circle. Soon the cookies are done, and the house smells amazing. Time to visit Grandma, Dad says. He picks up the cookie basket. Bluey and Bingo cheer together, their hearts filled with excitement. They walk down the sunny path, holding Dad's hand so tight. I see Grandma's house, Bingo shouts. Look at her flowers. Bluey adds, can you wave hello like they do? Wave your hand to Grandma too. Grandma opens the door wide. Her smile is soft and kind. Oh, my little darlings, she says. Come give me a hug. Bluey jumps first, Bingo hugs next, and Dad gives Grandma a gentle smile. They all sit on the cozy porch. The cookies sparkle in the basket. These look delicious, Grandma says. You made them all by yourselves? Bluey nods proudly. We did, and we didn't burn any. Bingo giggles and claps. Not even one. After snack time, Grandma says, let's play outside before sunset. Bluey brings a red ball. Bingo grabs a skipping rope. Dad joins in with a funny dance. His tail shakes side to side. Can you dance like Dad? Wiggle your hips and laugh. They play and laugh together. The sound fills the warm air. Grandma tosses the ball high. Bluey catches it fast. Bingo jumps and twirls. Her ribbons fly in the wind. Look at me, Grandma, she shouts. I'm a flying fairy. Grandma claps her hands with joy. You're my shining stars, she says. Dad grins and joins the fun. Let's all spin like fairies. Can you spin around once? Feel the magic in your toes. As the sun starts to set, the sky turns gold and pink. Bluey lies beside Grandma. Bingo rests near Dad. This is the best day, whispers Bluey, because we're all together. Grandma kisses her head. Family is the sweetest gift, she says. Fireflies sparkle in the dusk. The family watches them glow. Let's come again tomorrow, says Bingo. Yes, says Dad. We'll bring more cookies. Grandma laughs softly, her eyes shining with love. So whenever you hug your family, remember this happy day. Because love grows brighter each time you share it in your own special way.